The MECL has asserted that the Umiam Bridge is safe and efforts are being made to extend its lifespan by at least 40 to 50 years. MECL Chairman and Managing Director Sanjay Goyal stated that a lot of research has been researched and the agency has confirmed that the rehabilitation and maintenance to increase the lifespan. He said that the dam's lifespan will be extended by at least 40 to 50 years after the completion of the repair work. It may be recalled that the Indian Institute of Technology Guwahati, which carried out a safety audit of the Umiam Bridge, recommended that heavy-duty vehicles not to be allowed to travel on the bridge until the stressed members such as the deck slab and girder beam were restored.
They require rehabilitation over a period of time, they require maintenance, and over a period of time they require certain inputs in terms of their increasing the life.